Hey bread lovers! Today, I'm unveiling the ultimate duo of bread makers that will revolutionize your home baking game. From sleek designs to cutting-edge features, these machines are a game changer. Stick around till the end, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for today's best prices. Let's dive in. 1. KitchenArm 29-in-1. The KitchenArm 29-in-1 smart bread machine has garnered positive feedback from users. Despite some initial concerns about the absence of a lid and adjustments needed for high-altitude baking, the overall sentiment is favorable. Users appreciate the detailed recipe book, though navigating through menu settings can be slightly cumbersome. The customer support is highlighted as responsive and helpful, providing assistance even before the product arrives. One user, initially unfamiliar with bread baking, praises the machine for making the process easy and enjoyable. The option to adapt personal recipes with assistance from KitchenArm's customer service stands out, demonstrating a commitment to user satisfaction. Another user, comparing it to a previous bread maker, notes a quicker cooking time and appreciates the option to adapt traditional family recipes. The dent in the product's casing doesn't affect functionality, earning it a 4-star rating. Customers emphasize the versatility of the KitchenArm bread maker, mentioning successful attempts at various bread types, including sourdough and gluten-free. The option to make other items like rice wine and yogurt adds to the machine's appeal. A recurring theme in reviews is the exceptional customer service, with users praising Tony for his prompt and helpful responses. The inclusion of a lifetime cloud recipe service and a 2-year warranty contributes to a positive overall experience. Despite a minor inconvenience related to the dent in one user's unit, the KitchenArm 29-in-1 smart bread machine is praised for its performance, user-friendly interface, and the excellent support provided by the brand. 2. Cuisinart bread maker machine. The Cuisinart bread maker has elicited a spectrum of opinions from users. Some praise its compact design, making it fit seamlessly on countertops, while others express disappointment with its disproportionately large bread slices. One user noted the loaf size, emphasizing the comically tiny portions compared to the massive pieces of bread produced. Concerns were raised about the noise during kneading cycles and the machine's tendency to shift, prompting users to take precautionary measures. Despite varying experiences, the machine's functionality remains a constant. Users appreciate its ability to deliver decent bread, especially when adhering to alternative recipes. The sentiment oscillates between those who find the included recipes excessively sugary and those who explore outside sources for more appealing options. Some highlight the machine's efficiency in making a variety of bread types, while others discovered a preference for using it primarily for dough mixing, relying on traditional ovens for baking. Issues like missing accessories in one user's delivery are mentioned, creating minor inconveniences. Yet, overall, the Cuisinart bread maker seems to find its place in kitchens, with users praising its simplicity and the delightful aroma of freshly baked bread. Despite concerns, it emerges as a cost-effective alternative to pricier counterparts, serving its purpose for those seeking a straightforward bread-making experience. Thanks for tuning in to discover the top 3 bread makers. If you're as excited about these kitchen game changers as I am, find the product links in the description below. Don't miss out. Click, explore, and elevate your bread making experience. Happy baking, and see you in the next video.